Hi, I'm Brian, Product Manager of Viewsonic Europe Commercial Display and Solution. Here in IC, we're going to show you an entire digital whiteboard solution made for business, education, and also collaboration. Here we have the most open and also secure digital whiteboard solution built in the cloud and hybrid base. The myViewBoard ecosystem is not only the one piece of the software made for Windows space, it's also available on Android platform and also the Chrome browser. You can also enjoy a lot more feature coming with the companion app. Why it is the most secure whiteboard system? Because we will be able to use the companion apps to do the single sign-on. That is going to be allows you to access your cloud-based storage binding into the whole ecosystem. So now I have my account login, and I already have all the cloud storage being binding, no matter it's OneDrive or the Google Drive. I can also easily open up another slice. I'm going to show you something very interesting. So here I can draw in something we call AI pen. I can have one flowers here, and I can bring it here. I can also do a long press, and then it will come up with something you can finding on the Google Drive. There is also other many interesting features available in our cloud drives. Here you can also quickly open up another video conferencing service, like the one we have is the Zoom meeting. So now I'm just going to quickly open up a video conferencing. Just in a few seconds, I'm already trying to make a conferencing call with the people in another end of the world. This would be myViewBoard ecosystem, which delivers the most open, secure whiteboard system in the market. Thank you.